To send Bitcoin using Shakepay, start by logging into your Shakepay account on the website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and go through the verification process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your Bitcoin balance. Next, click on the Send button, which is usually located near your Bitcoin balance. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can obtain this address from the person you are sending Bitcoin to. Or if you are sending to an exchange or another wallet, you can find the address in the recipient's account settings. After entering the recipient's Bitcoin address, you will need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of Bitcoin or the equivalent value in your local currency. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before proceeding, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. You will also need to choose a transaction fee, which is paid to the Bitcoin miners for processing your transaction. The fee can be set to low, medium, or high priority, with higher fees resulting in faster transaction processing times. However, be aware that high fees can be costly, so it is essential to find a balance between speed and cost. Once you have entered the recipient's address, amount, and chosen a transaction fee, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with the transaction, confirm and send the Bitcoin. The transaction will then be broadcast to the Bitcoin network and verified by miners. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are not instantaneous and can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to be confirmed, depending on the network congestion and the priority of the transaction fee. You can track the status of your transaction on the Shakepay dashboard or using a blockchain explorer to ensure secure and successful Bitcoin transactions. Always use a reputable and trusted wallet like Shakepay, and make sure to keep your account and wallet information private and secure. Additionally, double-check the recipient's address and transaction details before sending, and be aware of the transaction fees and processing times. By following these best practices, you can safely and efficiently send Bitcoin using Shakepay.